G'day, welcome back. So today we're going to be washing off 20 odd years worth of grime on a Morris Minor using this handy wee pressure washer. Right, so I'll have a quick wee tour of it before we do anything. See, we've got a fair bit of surface rust. I'm sure most of that paint's going to come off and we can actually see what we're dealing with. This real thick dirt on there. Remember, this thing's been through an earthquake. So yeah, all this dust to come off will probably lift some of this paint. But at least we'll be able to see through the windows. And then we got more rust. This quality paint job. This is definitely the worst of the rust, this rear boot lid. Some more surface rust over here. Solid panel, hopefully. Windows are a bit grim. Windscreen's kind of hard to see through. That was my special driving patch. Get under here. And in here again, pretty grimy. Didn't really fancy doing too much work on here as is, but we'll give it a good clean. Must be a factory block of wood there. I'll get all that stuff out of there. Give it a good clean, and then we'll be much nicer to work on. Alright, so the tools we got our ToolPro petrol pressure washer. There'll be a full review of this coming up soon. We got some Supercheap auto workshop ready degreaser for the engine bay. We got our heavy duty Superwash also from Supercheap auto for the bodywork. So we'll give it a good rinse and then we'll chuck some product on and see how it scrubs up. here's the finished result. Well, I say finished, this is it for now. Certainly all the bad dirt and grimes come off. As we said, we've kind of pulled a bit of paint off, but yeah, still looks like a pretty solid panel. I haven't uncovered anything too scary doing this. I missed a bit down here, but oh well. Oh, there's a wee bit of filler down there. That's a quality job, eh? Can you see that? Oh, so we might have a wee bit of work to do down there. Windows we can see through. The roof. I started to get some of this off, but it was too much effort to get the rest of it, so but yeah, it's clean, nothing's going to come off if you rub against it. Little boot lid bit. And this side. Not too bad. How's the back corner here? That one's solid. Grill looks much nicer. Under here, so yeah, this looks much better to work on. Look at that, it's all green. I can even read the plate there now. See the quality Lucas Electrics. You can see the colours of the wires. Yeah, scrubbed up pretty well. I didn't do a perfect job, there's still plenty of grind down there, but they're not bits I'm about to touch. Not quite sure what that is, but it's been serviced by Warren Auto Electrical, Armagh Street. Don't know if they're still there. But yeah, much better. Yeah, a bit concerning that though, but I'm sure we'll work it out. Quality tires. So yeah, we're nice and clean. We can get on and figure out the engine problems and start working on the body and brakes and everything else, and get it back on the road. So we have it, some good progress on the Morrissey. It's clean at least. Now we can get on and do some mechanical stuff and some body work. So yeah, we'll see you for the next one. We're probably going to be diagnosing, tuning the engine, see what the story is. Probably a burnt valve, but we'll do a compression test. We'll do a set the valve clearances, see if we can do a leak down test. We'll have a leak down test there and go from there. So comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you for the next one. Cheers.